What we'll do in this demo is to take a look at 6 ways that AI can be used in the LawVu legal workspace. To be clear, these are very no-brainer, simple, secure ways that we've embedded AI to help you get work done faster, reduce the risk of human error, and get insights that you can use to make better decisions. Oh, and before we start, if I use the term Workspace Intelligence, I'm referring to LawVu AI. So first, let's get oriented. This is the LawVu Legal Workspace. It's a platform that you can use to manage all your in-house legal workload, including matters, contracts, and legal spend, and the work you do with outside counsel. In LawVu, AI capabilities are embedded within, and they enhance those individual spend, matter, and contract management workflows. And sometimes, Workspace Intelligence works across all of them at once, which is super cool. Wherever you see this AI sparkle, it means we're using Workspace Intelligence to help you get things done and get better data faster. Our first use case is super simple and very valuable. The LawVu Legal Workspace has the option to include spend management and e-billing capabilities. You'd use this set of features if you want to centralize your invoices from outside counsel and manage legal spend better. This dashboard shows the ideal state. It's consolidated reports that help you plan, budget, control spend, and do your regular reporting, as well as get insights to run your legal department. But that data has to get into the system, and you don't want to waste valuable time on data entry. And that's where Workspace Intelligence comes in. AI-powered invoice data extraction literally does the work for you. All you have to do is upload an invoice, and AI pulls the data out of a set of predefined fields. You can easily check and edit what's been done, and that's it. We didn't have to do data entry, and you can also imagine how this might help speed up invoice reviews. Okay, I'm going to get a little technical for a second. This is what's known as extractive AI, which is exactly what it sounds like. AI just extracts the data out of the document for you. And this kind of AI is secure, and it works on just your data. So there's no concerns about your data being used to train models or escaping out into the ether. And there are other great applications of AI in spend management. If you're interested, you can check that demo for more detail. Now we'll look at another use case where AI extracts data, but this time for contract documents in the context of contract lifecycle management. This is a view of the LawVu CLM and the contract repository we've built for our business. You can see valuable contracts data like stage, contract, dates, and specific clause information. And just like we saw with our invoices, AI can be used to find and surface specific data from your contracts. This is a view of our admin capabilities. We're looking at this because it shows how we can control which fields AI will look for and which types of contracts we want to use it for. The upshot of being able to make these choices is that it makes AI more valuable because you're directing its power to frequent use cases and contract information that you care about. For example, here we're choosing to have AI find and extract information from these clauses. So let's open one of these types of agreements. AI has done its thing. In the right-hand column, I can see the fields that AI has targeted. I'll click on one, like termination, and I'm quickly brought to the clause. I can copy and paste it. And of course, that data is available in the grid that we looked at earlier. Again, this could help you get to specific information faster, like in a situation where you've been asked for it and you want to reduce time and data entry, or it can help you get through a contract review faster. We'll stick with contracts for the next few use cases. Now, obviously, key dates are an important detail for your contract repository. You want them in the system so you can monitor and take actions in a timely way. Here's a contract in the system, and here's that handy Workspace Intelligence sparkle. I can ask LawVu to extract key dates for me. Just click, and here they are. I can review them and create reminders in LawVu. That way, they show up in reports, on our planner, and in notifications. And since this is the kind of high-value data you want in your system, it's a great use case for AI. Another thing you need to do often that we can make faster with Workspace Intelligence is contract summarization. So here, I'm back at the Sparkle menu. I'll just click Summarize the contract. AI goes to work and gives me a summary here in the prompt panel. You may just want a summary yourself, to get a quick understanding of what's in the contract without having to scroll and read through the whole thing. Or maybe you're context switching and you need to refresh your memory before you start working on it, or before you review and approve. You may also spend a lot of time creating summaries for others, in which case, this will save you time. If you want to share the summary, you can simply copy and then paste it into an email or document. Now here's one more AI feature that you can use on individual contracts. It's the ability to ask a question and get information back very quickly, written in natural language. Okay, let's switch gears again and look at our final Workspace Intelligence feature for this demo. This time, it's a matter management use case. Matter management is the core of the LawVu legal workspace. And this view shows us the full repository of matters and legal projects. A key feature of matter management is the ability to funnel legal requests into one place and then assign them to the best person based on availability or expertise. This happens through the intake queue, which is what you see on the screen here. And there are requests that have come in from the business using our intake portal. They have a good foundational set of structured instructions and data, but they haven't been assigned to anyone on the legal team yet. So you can choose to have AI give suggestions for the Matter Manager assignment. Just click the Workspace Intelligence sparkle, and you'll get suggestions based on specific fields and a historical understanding of which team members have handled similar matters, as well as everyone's current workloads. You can choose the best person, click Assign, and then they'll get a notification that the matter is in their hands. This will help the right person get started on the work faster, and ultimately that's going to speed up cycle times and improve service delivery. So what you've seen today are simple, practical, and secure ways that you can use LawVu Workspace Intelligence. We know that AI is highly valuable, but it can also be problematic. So we place a lot of emphasis on highly usable features that fit into your daily workflows and reduce admin overhead. If you'd like to learn more about Workspace Intelligence or anything else in the LawVu Legal Workspace, just book a demo and we'll connect you with the experts.